Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone who's watching right now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we are going to unbox the 55Q60B. This is the Samsung 2022 model. Yeah, as you can see, it will be 55-inch. So let's go, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put a thumbs up, and just know I love you. Click on the notification button, the bell, as you can see below there. So let's go. So if your tape is so it will come with this kind of legs. These are the kind of legs it will come with. And this will be our TV from the inside. And we can lift the TV from, you can just lift the TV, just 1 minute. We'll lift the TV from inside out. Then, just 1 second. Put this back inside. If you're going to install it in a proper way, you have to put this back. Okay? Yeah, just put. Yes, sir. Yeah. So if you have power, you can do it alone. If you don't have power, you can get some help. And this is the moorings, the legs. This will be very easy to install. No need. So you can just push like this to install the legs. Colors. Once it clicks, then you're done. So push, okay. It's okay. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So it's time to switch it on. And this is very important. Just know this one is coming with 2 USBs. It will come with the 2 HDMIs also here, then 1 extra HDMI which will be here, optical, and these cables also. So means total of 3 HDMIs. And if you're going to do the gaming, it will come also with 120 for one port. For your satellite. Let's put it. So we'll do the setup. But first, you have to activate the remote. We will skip the internet settings, then we'll pass on to something else. No broadcast, we are not going to put anything, and we are good to go. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Samsung 55 Q60 B 2022 model. We are going to put it in demo mode right now. So as you know, we are opening from the stores, and we'll put it in demo mode. If you're removing the demo mode, just in case you buy a display piece, you just do the same procedure. You go to settings, general settings, then you go to the system manager and remove the demo. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Samsung Q60. Yeah, QLED. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kindly press the notification button, give a thumbs up, like our videos, recommend to someone else. We love you. Have a good morning, have a good evening, good afternoon, and a good night. Love you.